Hi everyone, I'm Bella Banana and welcome to my art channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my filming setup. The setup I use in filming my 30-day Doodle Art Challenge videos. So if you want to create videos similar to my videos, you are free to try my setup. But you don't have to buy the same equipment I have. You don't have to buy an expensive camera to start. You can just use your mobile phone or whatever is available for you to use. The purpose of this video is just to give you an idea on how I film my 30-day Doodle Art Challenge videos. So yeah, let's dive into it! First, let's discuss about my overhead rig. This is the Glide Gear OH100, which I got for $199. One of the main reasons why I love this is the design. I love how simple it is, yet it offers a lot of features. It has multiple mounting options for different accessories. You can mount your mic, your lights, and you can also attach this whole overhead rig to your filming surface. But I prefer not to because it allows me to have more flexibility without it being attached. And even if I don't attach it, it's sturdy enough that it can stand on its own, especially that it is made of metal. This thing also gives you the ability to use any color poster board for a backdrop, which is ideal for product photography, tutorial video, unboxing video, and cooking video. It's easy to attach your camera to the camera holder, but I'm using a Joby ball head, mainly for its quick release function. Next, let's talk about the lights. I have two Fovitec Studio Pro 600 LED bicolor light kits, which cost $309, and one Neewer ring light kit, which I got for $160. Both of these lights offer an adjustable color temperature from a warm 3200 Kelvin to a cool 5600 Kelvin. These lights can give you great coverage and soft light quality, which I really like. And the last four important equipment I use are this: two cameras, a mic, and a tripod. The Sony a6500 with 10 to 18mm lens, which is attached to the Glide Gear OH100, is the one I used to shoot my top-down videos. And the one I used for filming videos of me talking in front of the camera is the Sony a7R III with 24 to 70mm f2.8 lens, which is attached to my Manfrotto BeFree Travel tripod. Also attached to the camera is the VideoMic Pro Plus, which is one of the best compact shotgun mics out there. These are pretty expensive equipment and could really break the bank, but these could increase your production value, so I believe it is worth investing, especially if you are going to use it all the time. But as I said a while ago, you don't have to buy the same equipment I have to start. Use whatever is available. What's important is that you start and just keep going. So that's my filming setup. I hope it helps you in creating your videos. And if you want more videos like this, please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and click the bell icon below so you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. So that's it, and see you in my next video.